How to connect a custom domain in Wix Studio. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to connect a domain that you have from Namecheap, for example, or you're going to have it from whatever provider or registrar like Hostinger, GoDaddy, and whatever, and you're going to connect it to our or your Wix Studio website. So we are going to head over wix.com and we are going to sign in for our account until we are going to see the site's dashboard. Now, we're going to select the Built on Wix Studio websites like this. Click on Select and Edit Site, and we are going to find it here. Now, we're going to head over the parameters or the settings of the Wix Studio website, and we are going to head over the domains. We're going to find them on this place. We're going to focus on here. We're going to select the site domain SEO, not SEO, but basically here domains. I have made a little bit of a mistake here. So we're going to head over here, domains. We're going to connect our domain right away here. We're going to put it like that. So now I'm going to head over Namecheap and we're going to put our username. For example, Jack Smith. I think that this is it. So we are going to sign in and continue. I think that I did not, let's say, forget that. So here we have it. Now I'm going to head over the domain list. From here, we're going to head over the Jack or the website or the domain that we have. This is it. I'm going to click on Manage after I have copied this domain. We're going to paste it here. Click on Let's Go, and you're going to find that it is going to be reserved already or owned. So I'm going to click I own this domain, and it is going to show up this specific place. It is going to tell you that this domain is, or to connect a domain, you need a premium plan. It is okay. So in your case, you must have a premium plan. After that, you're going to head over the DNS or the advanced DNS of your registrar, and then, or your hoster. Then you're going to add the records that Wix Studio is going to provide you with. And then you are going to add, for example, here an A record, also your CNAME record, and etc. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you in the next one.